Graham here from Team Flitz. You probably clicked on this video because you recently purchased one of our buff balls. I want to say thank you so much for that, first off. But the problem is the ball's not locking in. You're having some issues like this where it's loose and it's not tightening up and it's not working the way it originally did. So I'm here to show you how quick and easy it is to fix this situation. First off, if the ball's like this and it's not tight like this, obviously you have a little bit of a problem, as you know. First off, grab your drill and keep on twisting the ball. That should lock it back in, and within seconds, it should make it nice and tight and ready for you to use once again. Now these buffers, you want to run them clockwise, and when you're tightening them up, you want to use it counterclockwise. So when you're using the ball, you're going to see it start going, again, clockwise motion. If you put in reverse, it's going to loosen up just like it was before. So, quick and easy way to fix it really fast with your drill. Second option, that drill's not doing the trick for you and it's still loose. What you want to do is grab yourself a Allen wrench, 4mm, and this is a metric Allen wrench. Go to the center of your ball. No matter which one you got, buried way in the middle of it, there is a screw fitting in there, your hex fitting. The reason why Flitz does this compared to any of our competitors is this protects the ball no matter where you're using it. You can use it head on, sideways, and you're not worried about any exposed metal damaging up whatever you're working on. But pull back that middle layer. Again, it's going to be a little tight in there. Get that right inside there, and you'll feel it lock in, and just start cranking it tight. And I'm going to show you on this one right here. Again, we're going to pull back the layer, get that right inside there, and then just start twisting this. If you have it on your drill, it should lock it in for you. Just keep on twisting it, and you'll start feeling the pressure. Lock it really tight. And that's it, there you go. Now it's back to being tight. What happens sometimes is these will loosen up on you. If you have a higher torque drill or you're using it on an air tool, when it stops, if it stops really suddenly, again, it'll loosen up. But if that happens, again, put it back on, crank it tight, or grab your Allen wrench and lock it right back in. Thanks so much for checking out the video, and I hope this helps solve that problem for you and you can get back out there using those buffers the way they should be used. If you have any questions or if you have another problem, feel free to contact us. The number is right below on the screen, or email us anytime you like. Thanks so much once again, and remember, Flitz it.